I'm Howard Spiva. My son is Gene Spiva. We practiced law together. Growing up, I was small for my age, and that led into my going against bullies. I got into martial arts. I've been in 8 different styles. I translated that to fighting for the underdog, going up against big corporations and companies. Parallel to that is after Gene finished college, he went into the military.
Growing up, I spent a lot of time with my father while he was actively in the practice of law. Seeing him work as hard as he worked when I was that little, I guess that work ethic made an impression on me. And I knew that in order to get the kind of results that you needed to get for your clients, you had to work that hard. When I was in the Army, they teach you about the Army values. That's leadership, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. And service is one of the most important of those values. Even though I went away from home several years when I was in the Army, I always knew that I would come back to Savannah, come back to the law firm, and serve our local community.
The father-son team works. I think we bring something that practically no other law firm brings at the level of justice that we can get for our clients.
I was struck from behind by a driver who was under the influence. He hit my 18-wheeler so hard that the glass from his windshield came all the way up to the cab at the front of my truck and came in the dash and got me in the face. I got whiplashed from it. I was having an extremely difficult time turning my neck left and right. It was about 6 or 8 months of medication and waiting to see doctors. There was a lot of lost work at the time. I used Howard Spiva to make sure that everything was handled properly through workman's comp and so forth. I am very satisfied with my results of working with Howard Spiva. He's came through, he's kind, he's compassionate, he cares. He's not there just to sign paperwork and collect a paycheck. He goes way out of his way to make you feel like you're part of his family.
In our society, if someone's been wronged, whether it's a trucking company who hires someone who's incompetent or a trucking company who has inadequate equipment, they basically put profits before safety, and they go out and they harm someone. Our job is to come in, represent that client, and get them fairly compensated to balance the scales of justice. We try to fix the things that we can fix. The things that we can't fix, we try to help. There's nothing to me more rewarding than to have a calling to help people, and that's what Gene and I do, and to hold the wrongdoers accountable for personal responsibility. When someone comes into our office, we want them to feel warm, welcomed. We want them to understand the process that they're going to face. We tell them, you get well, let us do the worrying. That's why at the Spiva Law Group, we provide service, strength, and results.